Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here. Today I'm working on this electric chainsaw on a pole. Remington pole saw. It's for getting like, big long tree branches that are hanging over your wires and stuff, and you want to trim them. I hate electric things, but I got this from Motherlode 8 for free. So it was just missing a chain, I plugged it in and spins and works, seems to at least. And so I ordered this on eBay, 10-inch chain. This was only $9.99, brand new. So I'm gonna remove these 4 screws in there, take the cover off and route it on there. So after you take the cover off, the sprocket is right there, and you have to loosen this so that the bar can move around. You can get the chain on there. So I got it routed on there, and as you can see, it's about an inch or 3/4 of an inch too long. Remember that you do the blades this way, right, counterclockwise. You feel for the blades. The sharp end is going that direction. So I'm going to loosen these 2 bolts and give it like 3/4 of an inch of slack. So after routing it on there, pulled it nice and tight. There you go. I'm going to put the cover back on. So I got the cover back on. Plug this end into a outlet. I'm going to try it now. Nice. Maybe I should try that. Unfortunately, I can't try it. I did just chop off this. But my cord's not long enough. I wanted to get some of that. I believe this actually stretches longer than that. Yeah, it does. So, it's pretty solid, man. Got this quick disconnect thing, and you just pull that up, and look at that, stretches even longer. There we go. Wow, really high. It's cool. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I won't. No, maybe I'll keep it. It's cool. Works good, man. Anyway, nice electric chainsaw on a pole. Pole chainsaw. Free. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.